a lot of people was like, oh shit, we're having an earthquake.
His favor be upon. Mad like a me, my God. Big fat sour ear drop out boy. Where you tell me say?
Creative kids?
American! American!
Correct.
We need to learn the dance.
Box cover, this is Dutty Berry, and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. Oh God, well, I forgot to talk about the whole entire earthquake. Jeez, some people still cannot get over that. I hope you were safe, or okay, or not get experience much damage. But as I hope say all of the Berries them good, and our friends and our family and our loved ones, all of them are good as well. But anyhow, let's get into this week's top 10 countdown. Oh, and before that, if you're watching, make sure you say you subscribe. Please to go and subscribe right now. Okay?
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Triple X versus Ramesh. Me dancehall. Okay, burritos know. So this has to do with some beef that seems to be brewing between dancehall selector Triple X and the PR genius Ramesh. Yeah, man, Ramesh Entertainment. So some time ago, Triple X did speak on his platform about the $1,000 job fair.
Conscious.
Yeah, but tell you the truth of the matter is, the majority of the people might take that work there. Them now look for the fiscal responsibility. A lot of the persons want people like to be, I say Jamaican people, them like to be a part of. Them like to be a part of the cool kids. I go go over there figure try them because them want to be a part of the cool kids. Them want they say, oh, my work this so honorary for being a the name brand team. You understand what I'm saying? See, it's not about the fiscal viability. Most of the people may work this. And most of the people we do promotion this. So the girl may do promotion this. And some girl live with them parents.
And I guess some of the comments that came out of that discussion wasn't to Ramesh's liking, and so the two started to I guess share them grievances online. Take a listen.
The grand, them make more money than some people and we kill out themselves out there, the labor work and everything. So where you tell me, big fat sour ear drop out boy, where you tell me say, Yo, and you out of everybody will know about promo and their own, how much people with their own promo, use a big part of promo. You're dancer, you're interview, you're everything in a one. And you use their own money, come here and you chat off your mouth. I see man for see and us use a trouble buckle and clot in your nose. Because someone don't talk too much, bro. And that is what I don't like, bro. You got dip on things and you're dip part of life. It's like you're in an entertainment and you're bash entertainment.
Honestly, me just like, can we have peace on earth? Like, we are going through earthquake right now. I have other crises are going. Like, honestly, just say, boy, peace and love in schools. Pals, yeah, man. And peace and love with entertainment as well. Okay? Yes. But let me know, Burritos, what you think of this conversation. Number 9, run a boat on a boat. Me out to sea. Okay, no, so I saw this video on Instagram and it just showcased how innovative we are as Jamaican people.
That's comfortable. Hey, you see this boat? This boat come like a house. Different. See the living room there? Yeah. See the bedroom there? Veranda, yeah. Alright, see the kitchen there? I see the chef there? I see the bathroom there? Alright.
That is it. That is it. Bring your kitchen out on the sea too. So what if you don't have one of the big yacht them, the big ship them, the big boat them like Michael Leachin? You can, tweak it and customize it to suit your own liking. That is it. That is literally how you make a yacht pan a budget. That is it. So congratulations to these brother them, like big them up in a book. Boy, this was just funny. Oh God. Number 8, TikTok dance stress. Okay, so this video comes from Do It Like Candy, and you know, in this video, this girl just basically lamented about the stresses that came and that comes with doing these TikTok challenges, because as you catch it, one another one emerge. Take a listen.
You know, say a full and take over. The Jamaican dance creators wanna need to be stopped. I need to know who on TikTok is in charge of releasing these new dances or make them blow up or whatever the case is. Because, listen, me just learn the dance. We go, Papa, pizza, pillar, liquor, killer, telly, bar, sing, seer. Me just learn nothing, you know. And between me and you all know, me not get one pizza, one dance with that, you know. I don't know if it's because me have a working schedule, but I know me not get to show off my skills. You get what me I say? And everywhere me turn, me I say, shake it up. You go so boom. Oh, me go learn that. How am I going to learn that? Then TikTok dance are released too fast, and I cannot keep up. You understand what me I say? That me say.
You know what? I definitely agree. Because as me I try for it in at the beginning, I know me can't catch it. Me go so boom, bring your back, bing, go so boom. And so the police do them do it and me like, because me just start, Papa. See, I feel your pain, Candy. I feel your pain. I know what it is like, but nowadays, it's like, I saw it ago, everything is so fast-paced. That's why the song them now last. That's why the artists them now last. And them have to go keep up because the attention span just is like, if something did emerge last week, is already stale news. If it not done in this week, it's stale, it flop.
Now here is this week's random video of the week.
God! Mighty God! What is wrong?
Number 7, voice note viral. Alright, now so this video comes. Let me just not tell you who it come from yet, but like check it out.
Listen to me now, sir. You see right now, I'm fed up and me not gonna tell you say me want you no more because you don't have a choice. Right now, me and you die. We die like we official. And you listen to me.
Well.
No, honestly, when I heard this voice note, I'm see one of the Instagram pages, I was just so terrified because I said, I want to read some of this. What kind of pain and hurt and traumatization could this woman really be going through? But it turns out that it is actually from social media, upcoming social media personality influencer, Monet. You might know her on TikTok for her commentary like this.
I want somebody me wants, you know. I want somebody at my head really going. Some in know where the rest of them pack up. I wanna go. Move this now. Move this.
As well as her role in the popular YouTube series Bala.
Sir, I'm tell you this. Me want you, and me mean like no. And you see if you're not giving yourself, me go find one way to get you. And like, we there now. Like, we there, me want you.
But boy, Money, like, boy, them type of, if I saw you love hard, man, no, man, people have to feel careful of your heart and emotions because so like you will do some things, man, like you will put water on stove for that. But Burritos, have you ever been so enamored and so connected to someone that they make you unleash this side of you? Sound of below. More ear, more fast. Number 6, pleading guilty. No, Burritos. So remember the Philip Paul and Leota Bradshaw case? This is an update to that story. So 2 of the men have decided to plead guilty. Now their names are currently being withheld. But if you know the story, you know, so there's 4 people implicated, right? You have Leota Bradshaw and the three men who were allegedly a part of this crime. And so right now, this is where the pressure is getting worse. Something are going on behind the scenes, and it seems as if a couple of the people that might be prepared to talk.
One of the 3 men charged with her kidnapping, with the kidnapping and murder of both of those persons, pleading guilty.
It's good to know that they are going to go through the court system a lot faster as a result of that, and hopefully they also provide the police with more information that they can use to properly prosecute the other cases.
Because if you're like me, you're still trying to put the pieces together to find out the why. The why. Why? Son of Burritos, if you have interest in this case still, if you're still trying to keep up with what is going on, sound up. Number 5, Sesame side. Okay, burritos. All right, now, so this particular topic now, the topic here very colorful because, you know, Sesame Street, they have a musical, you know, it will be, you know, premiering in NYC, so the kiddies and stuff can go out and go enjoy themselves and all kind of stuff. It's pretty much like local theater, but over there, you know, they might do them thing over there, right? So, Sesame Street, in an effort to just promote the musical, came up, I do not know who in the marketing room came up with this particular poster and say, yeah man, this is it. Let us drop in the celebration by bringing in the count. The brother will go, 1 little kitty, 2 little, Yeah man, that brother, as well as to put in this caption. We can put it up right now? Yeah man. Rediscover your batty side. Rediscover your batty side. Mighty God. Like, I saw this post and I just found it so hilarious because, you know, culture is such a hell of a thing because over there, they're just focused on the mammal, the bat. They're just focused on the bat. But, you know, when you put things in a Jamaica, especially in that Caribbean space, batty has a whole different connotation. It's so funny, but what was even funnier was the comments. Things got so bad, the Jamaicans rushed into the comments and things got so bad that they had to delete the post. First, and then they cut off the comments, then they had to just take down the post altogether. But not before there was some, you know, Caribbean commentary on the matter. Take a look.
This is why you need more Jamaicans in places of power. Because what? Rediscover your body side. I know everybody that's not Jamaican is reading baddie side, but it's body side. First of all, rediscovering your body side is crazy. How'd you lose it? And how does one rediscover it? How do you Christopher Columbus your body side? You know what? Never mind, I'm good.
Sesame Street. Oh, you didn't have nobody from the Caribbean on staff. Nobody. No Jamaican person was on staff. Not a Trini, not a Grenadian, not a Guyanese, not a St. Lucian. Not somebody from St. Croix, the Bahamas, St. Kitts, Virgin Islands. I know I'm missing some countries right now. Hello? Rediscover your body side? Boy!
Anyway, readers, let me know what you thought of Sesame Street's post. Sound off below. Number 4, Cry Me a River. So I saw this video and it just had me in stitches. Take a listen.
Tell me now, this boy got post up on film status. That's why my heart cold. Don't trust in these females. Now that I send off alarm bells in my head because me and you good. We talk every night. We never argue. You tell me say you love me every night. So what's the problem? So me swipe up on the status. What happened? Talk to me. Him reply, babe, it's just a general post. Yeah. General post. So everything in my head start click. The boy have an next woman. Yeah, general post. What you mean that is a general post? Me, you good me. So what you talking about me? What you mean that post? What you mean that post?
Yo, you know, so at the laughter at the end, you know, the girl says she fully realized that she had get bun, and it's just that the laughter, the way she start ball at the end, that was just hilarious. Like, I can't hear the ball again. once again, have you ever been in a situation like that where you start to do the maths and realize that you are the side? Sound off below. Number 3, creative learning. No burritos. There is a particular school that has just been making a name for themselves in the school challenge quiz competition. The school's name is the Creative Learning Academy. And this school, people, trust me, everybody and their mother, after seeing their performances, is trying to ruffle up the money so them can send them pitney to go there.
International affairs. Fumio Kishida is the creative kids. Japan! Correct. Mathematics. How many times can you get 0.5 from 61.5? Creative kids.
302 times.
Incorrect. From 61.50, 123. English language. What is the past participle of the verb to speak? Creative kids.
Spoken!
Correct. General knowledge of which African country is Tripoli? Creative kids.
Libya!
Correct. Sports. What does ISA stand for? Creative kids.
Intersecondary Schools Sports Association.
Correct. Mathematics. What is the product of 229 and 5? Creative kids.
1145.
Correct. Science. What is another name for the gullet? Creative kids.
Esophagus.
Correct. Sports. In which sport did the Guyanese Clive Lloyd excel? Creative kids.
Cricket.
Correct. General knowledge. Chaguanas and San Fernando are major creative kids.
Trinidad and Tobago.
Correct. English language. Correct the error in this sentence. 2 of the men has attended the meeting. Creative kids.
Has to be half.
Correct. Mathematics. What is the sum of 21.45 and 19.77? Creative kids.
41.22.
Correct. Science. What is that? And we don't have time.
No, in the first round, the school get 99 points. 99 points, like probably one of the highest scores them ever in a school challenge quiz. History, whether the junior or the senior level, like that was just what it was, period, across the board. An excellent score. And so, of course, they followed up again with another amazing score, 80 odd points. Come on, man. Come on. Right about now, I feel like I forgot to take myself there and somebody can go learn on the weekends because they must can do something to expand my cranium right about now.
Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Creative kids.
Alia Atkinson.
From a Jamaican swimmer. That's correct. Bible knowledge. Which of the 12 disciples of Jesus was a tax collector? Creative kids.
Matthew.
Correct.
Then now some little short course. Because and some do some little fasting and what me hear is that one of them little money school, they want like uptown school. It's not quite as rich as expensive as AISK, but it up there. So nobody think out just one like a regular degular, you have to fork out your money.
New Jamaican $5,000 note.
You share and Donald Sangster?
Correct. Complete this statement correctly. Brian Lara is to cricket as Donald Quarry is to
athletics.
Correct. In what year did Jamaica hold a referendum to decide on the country's position in the West Indies Federation?
1961.
Correct. What is the name for an area of land from which water drains into rivers?
Watershed.
Correct. Dalby and Bath are parish council divisions in which Jamaican parish?
St. Thomas.
Correct. 505. It's now time for your question.
You have no choice but to do well and do well like that. Honestly, there's no other option. So big up Creative Learning Academy for just the continued amazing performances.
And now it is time for the big up segment.
Okay, so first upon a big up segment, I wouldn't really call it a big up, but I have to go and say RIP to dancehall artist Gully Bop. Now, Gully Bop passed away today at the age of 59 years old. Now, I'm definitely going to do a video about this so I can get more information, but for now, just condolences to his family and friends. Number 2, Mommy AI. Nobody does. So, in a recent social media countdown, I did feature the best, the baddest Jamaican, the baddest AI in the Caribbean.
Hello, welcome. My name is Isaac. Get that bag. Thank you for watching. Wow, so smile. I got your picture. Wow, hearts. I love hearts. I love you. What to do? And sure to join my live. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, man, and if you don't know him, his name is Isaac. Yeah, man, and so he has made popular the trend that, I guess was originated or really got very popular from Pinky Doll.
Bad, amazing, royalty, galaxy, I got your name. Wow, you fabbing, big on heart, big on love you. I'm sorry, but you stuck with me. You look good today. Gang, gang. Hee-haw, yes, you got me like a cowgirl in me. Right here, Tom. Thank you, Anna. Yes. Balloon. gang, 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 gang. That was good. Cook.
And it seems as if this trend is actually catching on, but I never thought it would actually reach to a Jamaican mother. Like, oh my God, people, mommy in our shop, you know, and she is fully embracing the power of the robot.
Yeah, thank you for sharing and thank you for liking the live. I love how the live are going festive. May I tell you, the live are going festive. I thank all the people on the live. Faster robot, faster, 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 faster. No. You want to sleep? If you want to sleep, is a robot that entertain us so. Yeah? Thank you, Kelly. Thank you for the rose. Is a robot that go slower, go slower, go slower, go slower, go slower. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose.
No. Whose mother is this? I actually love this woman's confidence. I love that she's doing it.
I'm a robot. I'm a robot. I'm a robot. I'm a robot. Thank you, Randa. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. So if you want something, let's come a cheap and clean. 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 Send me a line, I can get to buy some more things. Send me a line, I can get to buy some more things. Yes. Gang. Thank you for the 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 gang. Thank you, Gum. Gum, you're just a weak. You're just a weak, man. Thank you for the rose. You're just a weak.
Mommy is very committed to it. Me know say regular she study and I ask Christ if she not study for what Isaac has done. But Burritos, let me know, what do you think of this new mommy AI? Sound off below.
This is original coffee and you're watching the Dutty Berry Show. Dutty Berry are coming like a rapture. Yeah.
Number one goes to earthquake in Jamaica. Oh God, my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So I have to go and talk about the 5.6 magnitude earthquake that Jamaica experienced. Like, come on. I am still not over it. People, let me tell you something, in my bed, I was sleeping and I rushed out of bed in my saucer drawers and reached outside. I not even remember about forgot underneath no table or nothing like that, because the way when me in my sleep, me think say, yeah man, I ate this. I ate this right now, every single thing, something now going on in the world right now, angel are truck through the clouds, something now going. I do not know. Me don't know if a warrior going in Israel and Palestine, if I it reach over here, like, because whenever I go vote, in my mind, me I say something into something, because this felt like, me literally feel like I saw me inside of the cross. Inside of the earth cross was skinning out. You know, like when Spice says, skin out, make me feel like another earth crust did that thing. It just decides to just go tear out under the sheet, under the earth core. That was just crazy. And then I hear people scream, all kind of things. Me I say, is it the Armageddon? And what the box foot this is happening? Come here and say, no man, this cannot be real. And of course, when I took to social media, now, it was definitely confirmed, and I realized that it wasn't just me, that the whole of Jamaica had experienced this earthquake, a 5.6 magnitude earthquake, one of the, I guess one of the bigger earthquakes that we've had in recent times. Because usually it's a lot lower, but the one, you know, it come too close to 6. Yeah, man, this kind of cause for concern. And especially with the fact that we've had 4 earthquakes so far in 2023. But we know this is all because of the whole global warming and all of that. But me readers, me are busting the ears right now. What I want to talk to about in this video is the commentary and the different clips that came up. So first, I'm going to talk about, I'm going to show Cliff Hughes and his reaction, live reaction. Take a look.
Wow. We are having an earthquake. Oh God.
That's an earthquake?
No man, honestly, we have to big up Cliff Hughes for that, because he kept his composure and did exactly what he was supposed to do, because some people that was turn fool, but he immediately sprung into action. That is what you call a seasoned vet. Yeah man, he broke the story and then went right into action. Now we want to jump over to the Mitchells. Yeah man, what people have been talking about Wayne Marshall, same name is very trendy in the streets right now. But look at Wayne Marshall with his family. Him there with Tommy Chin and his son Gio, and them actually are sing one song when things went left.
Ready?
Hand movements important.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. May his favor be upon.
Oh God, earthquake.
Oh shit.
Is the fact that the little curse word fly out of Wayne's mouth. You know me, I said, Jesus Christ, man, Lord have mercy, Wayne. It flung right out there. Like, why is it that when Jamaican people go through them type of situation, and that is the first word that comes to mind, is that they were all singing a gospel song. Good team. Can you imagine something like that happening to you that upon certain thing? You can imagine, they sing some booyah type of careless music, and that go, yeah man, that kind of look, you know? If they do some little careless, you can imagine? Yeah. But we're just glad that for the most part we haven't heard about any loss of life. And boy, but this is just wild. Even Sean Paul had gave us a live reaction while being in an interview and experiencing the earthquake.
You know, I think at the time, like, not everyone would try and do music because it was even more, like, rare that you would make it. And then if you did make it, it's like, will you actually make it? It's a different playing field.
It's a different field.
Yeah.
A lot of people was like, oh, shit, we're having an earthquake.
Oh, my God, what?
Fuck.
Oh my God.
Oh God, burritos, and we have more live reactions. Like, come on, man. Come on. But burritos, just let me know, where were you when you felt the quake, and how did you react after? How did you deal with it after? Okay, so comment down below. Well, that is it, burritos. We've come to the end of another top 10 social media countdown. Make sure that you like, you comment, you share, you subscribe, especially the subscribe part. Emphasis on the subscribe part. Tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a family member to tell a family member, because I am aiming to get to 300,000 subscribers. I am going to be begging vehemently week after week until you get the picture, because you just lazy sometimes. You love the content, but you just lazy. You not moving with enough alacrity. You need to get with it. Okay? Come on, man. We're supporting each other right here. I love that. I love the videos them, but like, this would mean a lot if you just play a part and subscribe as well. All right, burritos, take care until next time. Tata. Oh, jeez, I'm never talk about the booking. Yeah, man. Oh, God, I forgot. Follow me on my social media at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X, Snapchat, all over. And for bookings and advertising, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time. Pow.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, yo, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.